Hey everybody, this is Paul, 125 Roller Coaster Challenge here at The Great Escape, which is a Six Flags park, but not a name. And here we're going to show you Steamin Demon. And this is a traditional arrow looper corkscrew type ride here. This was actually my 350th coaster. I was hoping for alpine bobsled, but that did not happen. So kick back, relax, and enjoy the Steamin Demon. Alright, now we're going through the corkscrews. And that is the Steamin Demon over here at the Great Escape in the Adirondacks.